It was a great event by D5 Vision. It was much better than what we expected.
Event was managed fantastically by D5 Vision, led by Amrit Virdi. What you see here has been designed by her, conceptualized by her and her team, and we are really very happy with what she's put up today for us.
It was a pleasure for me to talk about D5 Vision today. It was a great job for them with Curaro Group. We have a value event, so much people, 1,100 people here, my chairman, my top managers, and I think it was a good job. I can say I have seen many events now, and it was a really good job.
Working with them, we found that every problem they can sort out for us, and they have a firm but fixed plan in their mind, so there was no problem in organizing the conference at all.
We had a wonderful event here at DMAC today. The event was organized by D5 Vision. I had seen one more event organized by them in the past, and they did an impressive job. We are really happy.